Yeah, just wanted to show you the saw. It's making a new noise today. So we last used this on Friday, operating as normal, and today it's got a vibration sound happening. We've had a look at the belts and we've tightened the belts up as good as what we thought we could do, but I'll just turn it on just to give you an idea of the sound. So you can definitely hear that knocking noise. At first we thought it might be a bearing, but I don't know, it seems to be more belt related. Anyhow, I thought we'd just let you guys know and see if you can help us out. Alright, thanks very much.